We didn't just start yesterday. Our journey began in 1966. Starting in Singapore. In 1983, our journey extended to Christmas Island, and then to the Maldives in 2000. From shaping shorelines and skylines, powering offshore rigs and vessels, to critical physical and digital infrastructure, we've been here to support today's industries and build towards tomorrow. Customers don't come to us for promises. They come when something must work. On land, at sea, in the heat, rain, and under pressure. Trust isn't built just in meetings. It's built one interaction, one decision, one responsibility at a time. Ensuring that our customers get support wherever and whenever they need it. Machines and technology can support us, but it's our people that create and deliver the real value and form the core of our excellence. Safety isn't just a badge to be worn. It's a habit. It is a key operational requirement and our commitment to the well-being of our people. The industry is changing. Technology is changing. Expectations are changing. What won't change is our commitment to be here, enabling our customers to be more productive, more efficient, and ready for the needs of today and tomorrow. Whatever the future brings, we'll be here to support you.